It's your girl Boot, and I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back with another video for y'all. So as y'all can see, today is a different kind of type of video today for me. I normally do not do voiceover videos, but today I felt like it was necessary just to go ahead and give y'all a quick overview on how I got my screen to look so aesthetic and cute like it is now. So I just wanted to go ahead and show y'all exactly how to get y'all screen to look like this. So if you're interested in this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below if there was any other questions that I don't cover in this video, and we'll go ahead and get straight into the video. So y'all, first and foremost, you want to make sure that you already have downloaded the latest iOS 14 on your phone. And if you don't know how to do that, you just want to go ahead and go to your settings, and then you'll go down to General, and then it'll take you to software update, and then it'll start checking for the update, and you just want to make sure that you're connected to iOS 14.4 and that your software is updated. If it's not updated, it'll normally show here, and you could just go ahead and update it from there. So that's make sure that you also have Canva, and then you also have access to Pinterest. So those are the three things that you want to do before we go ahead and get straight into the video. So for this type of video, if y'all haven't noticed, with the new update of the iOS 14, we did get widgets on our phone, y'all. So I'm super happy about that. So that's kind of what you'll see here is and let me go ahead and put my phone on do not disturb, so that way I won't get any phone calls or anything while I'm doing this video. But yeah, y'all, so we have widgets now, which are these things that you see here on my phone. I was able to create this using WIDGETSMITH, so you can also download WIDGETSMITH if you do want to have these widgets on your phone. But today I am going to show you exactly how to get your icons to look like this. So first thing first, we're going to go to the internet, and we're going to go to Pinterest. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Pinterest here. And what I'm going to do from Pinterest is I'm going to go ahead and download a background from Pinterest. So normally it could be just, whatever color background you want it to be. So for instance, I can go ahead and put in a nude purple background, and that'll go ahead and show me all kind of different backgrounds that I can choose from. So just strictly for this video, I am going to go ahead and choose this one. So I'll just go ahead and tap on it, save it. And then from there, you want to go make sure, well, you should already have shortcuts on your phones. So we are going to be using shortcuts. That's going to pretty much go ahead and help us to put that image on there. So now what we're going to do, since we have the background image, we're going to go ahead and go to Canva. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Canva here. And then once Canva opens up, you just want to go ahead and hit the plus sign. And then you'll go to, and this, you can do this using the free edition. You do not have to pay for this. It is free. And then you just want to go ahead and hit the plus sign again on custom size. And I'm going to go ahead and make it to 180 to 180. Because what I have noticed is our icons on our phone is 180 by 180. So this is going to make it a lot easier for us to be able to fit it and make sure that it fits just right on our icons. So then from there, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tap on this background, and I'm going to go to replace at the bottom left hand corner there. And then I am going to go ahead and choose, I'm going to go ahead and choose my photos, and I'm going to go ahead and pick that image that I just downloaded. And then what I'm going to do is, once I download that, I'm going to go ahead and hit that again, hit replace, and then I can go ahead and add it as my background. So now that I have it here, you guys, I'm going to go ahead, and now what we're going to need is we're going to need an icon. We're going to need like an Instagram icon, a TikTok icon, or some kind of sort that you're wanting to have on your phone. So whatever you use, I'm just going to give you an example. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this icon, and you can make it as big or little as you want to. I normally make it to the size of the screen. And then what I would normally do is I would change this and make it white, just to kind of give it a better look. and then that way you can still kind of see the background as well. So then from there, you guys, you're just going to go ahead and save this image. Once you hit that arrow, it'll go ahead and automatically save it to your camera roll. And then we can go ahead and leave out of there. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and go up to search. And then we're going to type in shortcuts. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and hit select. We're going to hit add action. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and type in open app. And then I'm going to choose Instagram as the app that I am going to go ahead and open, since we did make an icon for that. And then once you do that, you'll just go ahead and hit the next button. You'll go ahead and hit the 4 dots at the top right hand corner under the next, where it says next, and then you'll hit that. And then you'll simply go ahead and name this shortcut Instagram. And then we're going to go ahead and hit add to home screen. And we're going to go ahead and erase where it says new shortcut, and we're going to name it again to Instagram. Now, keep in mind, y'all, this is a really tedious process. You do have to do this for every one of your apps, so it could take a lot of time. It did take me a pretty long time to be able to do this. But so we're going to go ahead and add that as Instagram, and then we're going to hit this box here. And if you didn't see that, I am hitting a box with the 2 white things in the middle there. I'm just hitting that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and choose photo, and I'm gonna choose that photo that we did go ahead and save, and I'm gonna choose that as the image. Then I'm gonna hit add. I'm gonna hit done, and it has been successfully added to my home screen. So I am done here. I'm just gonna go ahead and go back to my home screen, and as you can see, the app is here. So that is how you go ahead and make your apps, and then what it does is it just opens up your Instagram from there. And then your regular Instagram that you have, so that will normally be on your home page as well. But what you can do is you can go ahead and, so say for instance, if I had this on my home screen already, and then keep in mind I already have the one that I just created, so therefore I won't need both of these to be on my home screen like this, because it is taking up space. So what I'll do is, since I want to keep the one that I created, I'll go ahead and hold this down, and then I'll go ahead and hit remove app, and then remove from home screen, and then that just takes it right back to your app library. So this is the cool thing about the new update that they have done with the iOS 14. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I really hope that you like this video. This is exactly how you get your screen to look like how I did this here. And if you have any other questions that I didn't cover in this video, just make sure you let me know. And then also, like I said, you can go ahead and download WIDGETSMITH, and I'll go ahead and show y'all that app. If you go to your app store, you'll just type in WIDGETSMITH, and then that'll come up on the screen, and it's going to be the second one down. So it'll be this one, and then you could just go ahead and open that up, which mine's need updated now, but I'll go ahead and show y'all why I have it on my phone already. And this is pretty much where you would make those icons that I did, that I have here on the front of my screen. So yeah, y'all, I hope I covered everything in this video. I wanted to make this a quick, sweet video for y'all, just to show y'all how to get y'all screen to look real pretty and aesthetic or whatever. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. And last but not least, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will be dropping nothing but videos after videos after videos. So y'all want to make sure y'all stay tuned. But again, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Hey.